Ibalik ang iisip.
Now I've got the pin code.
May pin code.
Security code from Japan Radio. For how many days I've struggled, I did not use my car stereo due to some error that the radio is asking for security code. Now I'm gonna try this one. Given from the Japan radio, if it is, which says it will work. If it is legit. Let's see what happened. The code number they gave us is 4 5 1 3 5. Yeah, it's okay, right? All good. Thanks from Japan Radio, all the way from Auckland, New Zealand. Thank you, brother. It's working good. See?
ETC カードが導入されていません。
No, it's working fine. Highly recommended, 101 legit Japan Radio. Thanks.